don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this footage, so we're gonna make a mini vlog. We're gonna make a mini vlog, everybody. I'm gonna turn down the music so that way I can actually kind of come up with something. I gotta be a good boy because my mom is behind me somewhere along the lines. I gotta be a good boy so that way my mommy doesn't like, give me a whole lifelong lecture. So I gotta be a good boy right now, but the second she's gone, we zoom in. So, anyways, we're on a hunt right now. We are going to be on a hunt for a girlfriend. We have received news that she is going to be on her way home from Elk pretty soon. And so we are going to go ahead and see about finding her along the way. Oh gosh, and surprising her. We're just gonna look and I'm gonna see her, I'm gonna speed up to her, I'm gonna find her, and I am going to wave and say hi. Because, you know, that's what we're respectful to women out here. We don't want to be like, you know, those punks that are just like, yeah, smack that, woo. We gotta go out, we gotta see if we can find ourselves a girlfriend and find ourselves a wild girlfriend. Is my mom behind me still? Oh yeah, she's behind me. She's gonna be like, how did you make it so far in front of me? And I already recorded one motovlog for you guys today, so you guys should have fun with that one. That one is what gonna be about, I don't know if it's gonna be like a full-on review of this MBT gear a few months later, or if it's literally just going to be a like just a video, like a motovlog, but with me talking about it, or what. I'm not 100% sure yet what it's going to be, but watch it be a cop right there. No, dude, my wheelie game just today has not been strong. I don't know what it is. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna ride. I'm not even gonna pay attention. If she calls me, oh well. But dude, it's such a beautiful day. I love just like a little hooliganism that I'm doing. It's so much fun. Man, they changed the sign on cattails. Oh, interesting. I never realized that. Yeah, it used to be a little bit more ancient. It just had a photo. It was just a photo of a cat with cattails underneath it, I believe. I don't really remember, to be honest. I'm kind of just bullshitting my way through this, but yeah, a lot of this is just gonna be riding on the highway because we're going out towards like what area is it? Like Elk-ish area. We're going to the Elk-ish area. So we're gonna be just paying attention to the other side of the road, seeing if we see her. Oh, did it just die? Oh, nope. Hello? Hello? Assuming it was her calling me to tell me that she's on her way. Hey, did you just call to tell me that you're on your way? Okay, alright, sweet. Sounds good. For some reason, I don't know whether it's my cardo or what, but it's just been acting weird recently. It's probably because it's at a low battery and it's trying to save percentage any way it can. But yeah, it's batterized. Yeah, it's a Bluetooth. No. Yeah, it's Bluetooth. But so, anyways, I'll see you soon. Alright, well, she is just about to get on the highway, so honestly, we might meet her at about like where the Ram is. I'm just vibing, really, honestly. I'm kind of surprised the GoPro's still recording, but you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna just take it. Any content I can get, I will take it. Thank you very much. All right, guys, you gotta help me look out. We We are looking for a blue Toyota sedan. Not sedan. SUV. The mini SUVs. Not like the big SUVs. The mini ones. The mini ones. The other thing I could do is I guess I could just sit here and wait for her to pass me. She's got it. We gotta meet up with her soon. She's gotta be up, like, if she's gonna be on this stretch of road, it's pretty much impossible for her to be anywhere else. Hello? Oh, you did? Oh, you went past me already? How the fuck did I not see you? Oh, well shit, I didn't even see you. Well, I am turning around now. Really? You think so? Oh yeah, I know. There she is. That's a wild girlfriend. Yeah, sorry, there's not much commentary on this, but anyways, okay, GoPro, is it in the red yet? Shit, I don't think it's even in the red yet. We found the girlfriend. So I don't understand how I didn't see her. Didn't take me that long to catch up to her, that's for sure. I'm on a bike. It's natural. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Oh my gosh, the dog. The puppers. I'm gonna go say hi to her.
I love you.
I love you too.
Your turn signal was fucking on.
Huh?
Your turn signal was on for the entire
So?
time.
So?
That's what I'm trying to get. Oh, I'm getting it recorded. Fucking hell.
Hey, take a video of me.
One day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit